Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the pin on your SIM card or change the pin in your Motorola H30 Neo. So first of all, scroll down and search for the settings here. Next, scroll down and search for the security. Yep, that's it. Now scroll down here and search SIM card lock, this option. Yep. And my card is already unlocked, so we don't have any pin right now. If you want to lock the SIM card one more time, you can write your pin here and the SIM card will be same locked. So every time you turn on your phone, you have to place the pin of your SIM card. If you want to change the SIM pin, you're gonna put this option and the pin gonna be changed. And if you have a pin right now, this option will be enabled. So if you want to disable it, press it, write your pin, and you have disabled your pin. And when you turn on your phone, the pin doesn't gonna be required for your turning on the phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.